Oh, hey all, welcome back to Messing with Mopars. Let's get that up there a little bit. So, I was having some trouble with it yesterday afternoon. I didn't take the driveline out. I left the transmission hook and the drive shaft in hooked up to the rear end. Comes out fine, not enough room to push it back in. So, what I did today was I just, instead of taking the transmission out, I just took the engine mounts off. And that should give me enough room to kind of swing it in there, play around, and make that easier to make that a little easier. All right, so we'll get you up in here a little closer, maybe. I'm trying to drop everything. Put you down in there. Hopefully that header's not up too high. I gotta take a bolt out of the transmission. I forgot. So we'll take this out. I might have to drop this header down a little bit more. We'll see. Hopefully not. Okay. Let's get her up in the air. We get this thing in, and I think we'll figure out that master cylinder on the brown car. Once this is in, all we need to do that should be good. And in. That's a little more centered. There we go. Bring that down slowly. That should push back a little more. Bring your head a little bit. And we'll go down a little more. Control a little bit. Bring your head a little bit. Bring it down. A little more. Okay, hold it there. Okay, punch the wires. The plugs out. All right. Get it down in there a little more, maybe. Well, that's one way to land it. We'll get hung up on the brake and oil pan. There. I'll let that down a little bit. Yes, we do. Okay. It's okay. drop just a cunny. Pressure off of there. There we go. Pressure off. Put this down a little more. Like that. Let's go down about a half an inch. Right up there. Oh, I think we're there, baby. I think we're just there. I can lift the back up a little bit. Where to put that orange strap? I think we'll be there. This really needs some WD or something. Come on. There. And there. There's that hole right there. Okay. Come down just a little bit. Back a little bit more, maybe. I don't know what just fell. boost up a little bit, maybe. Another ratchet strap. I can get it down into here. Just tilt it a little bit. Where's that other short ratchet strap I got? Okay. And let's grab a header bolt. Alright. Put a header bolt right there. Now. So I'll take this and I'll put the loop around it there, like so. Maybe not. And we'll just go like this, like that. This. There we go. Alright, even a 5/8 wrench. See if I can get in there and do that with that. A few threads in there anyhow. That was not where I wanted it. not 5/8. Alrighty then. Okay. So now I'll get one more bolt in there. Then I can take the jack out, and then I will reinstall the motor mounts. And then frickin' A. Then we're rolling. And then we're rolling. All right. That was a lot easier. It's going to be a little bit of a challenge to get the engine mounts on, but I did it on the 66, so it shouldn't be too bad here. Just got to get your hands into small spaces. All right. This will be like a two-part kind of thing. Once I get to doing some posting, I'll do that when I get home this afternoon. I might do another little shoot here once we got her in there. All right, thanks a lot for coming along for the ride, and I'll talk to you a little later. Oh, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share. Thanks. Bye.